My name is Kay Dodge. On October 23rd, 2008, my husband was at work and there was an explosion that threw Scott several feet in the air at a rapid speed that caused him to have a traumatic brain injury. When Scott was in the hospital right away, they told us that he was not going to ever be the same. And so at that point, I realized I needed some help. The first time that I met with Mike at the hospital, he was very compassionate. I knew from speaking with him that I could relax a little bit because I knew he would help me take care of things. Because of the extensive research that Mike Sieben and Scott Hertogs did on our case, we were able to reach equitable settlement from each one of the companies that were involved in the accident. I would recommend them. I know that they would do a good job for anyone.